Hello, today I'm going to show you how to apply for graduation. First, you'll go to the DVC website, www.dvc.edu. Then you'll select Insight. Select Insight, log in here. Then you'll put in your username and password. When you get to the page with all of the tiles, you'll select this graduation cap right here, and it's red. First thing you'll want to make sure is that your major that's recorded on the Insight portal matches whatever you want to get your degree or certificate in. So you can change the major here. If you haven't done so already, you can click on that. Once everything matches, the way that you move on to petition for your degree or certificate is to click on the link right here. Then all you do is select Apply. It's going to ask you when your graduation term is, so you'll select that. Keep in mind you have to apply for your degree or certificate the beginning of your last semester, so be aware of when the deadline is to apply for graduation. It lets you know that diplomas are mailed 8 to 10 weeks after the end of the term. You'll say if you want to attend the graduation ceremony, where you want the diploma to be mailed to, and then you'll indicate which general education pattern you are following. CSUGE is if you are only going to transfer to a Cal State University. I Get C is used for the UCs, but will also work for the CSUs. And then College GE means that you are getting a associate's degree from Diablo Valley College and do not plan on transferring. You also want to make note of if you have any transcripts from any other colleges, AP scores, or any other type of student notes that you want admissions and records to know. Then you just click Submit.